Hello, this is Python Statistical. I recently updated the Spyder editor in Anaconda and found that when I typed the command in Anaconda Navigator, it would respond with Anaconda Navigator command not found. Now, there is a reason for this, which is not documented in the actual instructions. So if we go look at these instructions, we see that it says in the instructions, these are the current instructions from the Anaconda distribution website, that at the terminal on a Linux machine or Mac OS, you run the command Anaconda-Navigator. So what is going on is that you have to actually type another command called conda activate. If I can spell that right, activate. Now when you enter in conda activate, you'll see that your terminal comes up with base in brackets in front of your username. Now when we type in Anaconda Navigator, it now works. And there we are. Now if you want to get rid of that base in brackets, what we can do is just type in conda deactivate. And you go back to a normal prompt. So this is an extra step that isn't documented in the actual official documentation for Anaconda Python distribution. So something you need to be aware of, that if you update your Anaconda Python, you may find that it won't work. Thank you for watching. If you really like my video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel Python Statistical. If you dislike it, give it a thumbs down. Thank you for watching.